Yeah, you would like them.
Yeah, sweet and spicy bugles. Alright, so we're sitting in our hostel doing homework. And I'm really cold, so I went and bought some tea. It's barley tea. And I didn't like how it smells, but now that I cooked it, it really just smells like wheat or...
It doesn't smell like tea at all.
It smells like wheat.
Yeah, I know. It smells weird. You hate it.
I love it. It's like I'm drinking wheat water. I actually really, I think it's barley tea. Do you want some?
I can't have.
You can't have. Are you gluten intolerant? Damn, that sucks. This is my YouTube. Do you want to say hi?
Hola.
No face, right? But I talked about you in my last vlog. I said I'd shout you out. So go follow Nancy on YouTube. Yes, I'll put the link below. Dude, I love the tea. I love it. I hope I can get that in the States. This is my new favorite tea. It tastes like... Well, does it taste like corn or... Maybe it tastes like...
I can't put my finger on what that tastes like at all.
It's grainy. It tastes like a really good grain. It's
love
really
it.
soothing.
It's almost like cereal.
Is it like black tea, green tea, herbal tea?
It's like a kashi goleen cereal.
Yeah, it is. That's a great way to describe it, actually.
It's really weird.
Mmm.
Well,
Is it herbal? I guess I gotta look it up. Let me see.
Yes, it is an herbal.
Herbal, so no caffeine and
There's no
stuff.
caffeine.
This is my new favorite tea. Here it is
so
again.
mad when you lied to me.
Why was I mad?
You're like, I don't like it. I forget what you just said just now.
It smelled really
Yeah,
weird.
you said it smells weird.
It doesn't smell like.
Yes.
I love it. Okay, now we're in a giant Daiso. This one. Oh, this is the cute floor. Let's look. It's moving.
Oh. These are moving. They're literally alive still. Look at that. Those are packaged and ready to eat. And I would eat this right now if I could. It's like the coolest store ever. They're still moving too.
This what? It is really?
Very subtle.
Show me one.
Maybe I'm just tripping, I swear.
This is cheap too if you want to try this one day. Oh look, it's on sale for $10. Yeah, I'd learn. Look at this fancy shit. Yeah, it looks like mushrooms.
That's so beautiful.
It's some kind of root, turnip. This is so expensive. Oh my goodness, $120 about. What is this for this much money? What is this?
For some reason this reminds me of Lord of the Rings.
The Parrot Cafe. Look at the efficiency here. There's a stack of carts going up the stairs.
It's one way to push carts.
Banana gummies. Could you open it?
Yes, my queen.
Stop. You're gonna seem like such a simp in my videos.
Why would I be a simp, my queen?
Can you pour some into my hand for me?
Of course, my queen.
Also, I tried the banana mouthwash today. It kind of just tastes like bubblegum. Mmm. I like those a lot.
Really good.
I really like those.
Very rich banana flavor.
Why don't we have more banana stuff in the States?
They hate us.
So many people hate. Do you guys like banana flavored things? Let us know, because we love banana flavored things, but most people don't. And there's like a little sourness to it, which makes it feel like a green banana, you know?
I want more.
Me too. Okay, octopus taste test. Back here. I guess I should give a little tour of the place. Octopus taste test. Should I give a little tour of the place right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm starting outside. This is where it is. It's right next to the bus station. And you walk inside. And then here's a little dining area. I'm warming up some chicken right now. I don't know why there's like coffee stuff everywhere, because we don't even have coffee here.
You like soy sauce?
It's okay. Here's the kitchen that we can use. We do the cleaning. I'll show that in a video too. Okay, taste it.
Hold on. I'm gonna try one without sauce first.
Okay.
And with this one and this one combined together.
You want to make one with this and then rice and then octopus?
So it's chewy. It's good though. I'm gonna try this.
You can put sauce on that one.
I'll try sauce. Yeah, I guess I can dip it in sauce, yeah.
Do you love it? Yeah. Do you really love it? You want octopus again? Do you really? Because you were really looking forward to octopus.
No. It's random.
And you missed the one in King Coca-Cola, isn't it?
Oh yeah?
Same
Octopus
thing.
tastes good with that.
Yeah.
Is
What is
that
that called?
Soju. Yeah.
Soju.
Yeah. If you like, you can take more.
yummy?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Was it like vodka or something?
It's kind of like sake, but
Yeah.
more alcoholic.
Okay, and this is the basement. It's kind of creepy down here. This is fucking creepy. I don't know why these are here. I kind of like it. We haven't really sat down here at all, but we could if we wanted. I don't know what that stands for. There's this. What's this? Oh, scoreboard? That's kind of cool. I just ate some chicken. This is the staff room.
That is so good. I know you want some.
Maybe a sip. And this is where we keep our pantry items. I'm gonna do some cooking later. I'm gonna make some beef later if we're still hungry after our thing. So I got some sauce. Got some. Oh, that's actually soup from Canada that we brought.
That we were gonna eat on a rainy day.
We have canned tuna on here. No, it was snowing.
No, that's alright. Yeah, I can't wait to try that actually.
Tomorrow. I have to make the steak so it doesn't go bad. And then our fridge we have here. I'm actually so mad that we went grocery shopping at the worst one. This is our fridge stuff. This is the stuff we were just eating. Oh wait, I guess you should eat this sushi. You don't want that to go bad.
When?
Tonight.
Well, yeah.
But then we can't make the steak. Got some yogurt, which is really hard to find. Oh, some extra Spam. I made some Spam and rice and
Oh yeah, that was
last
good.
night.
You did a good job.
Thank you. There's some ham, some cheese. Dairy is so expensive here. Oh, I forgot I have milk.
Oh, you bought actual milk, I forgot.
Yeah.
sushi is so good.
Because I need something for protein since I don't like seafood. And I honestly, I'll eat pork, but it's just not my favorite. Some cabbage. I'm gonna make stir fry with the steak.
Yeah,
Wait.
you bought that too.
Oh, I was like, this steak was only like $1.50, and then I realized it's the 3 pieces of ham here. I feel like we need to eat this too because it's clearance.
3 pieces of ham.
23rd one. Oh shit, this was supposed to be eaten.
We'll eat that today.
There's too many things to eat today.
I'm at garbage disposal.
We can save this, honestly.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can say that a day.
Okay, now a sip of chocolate milk for dessert. Look, it's so good. The guy who was just talking to us is John. He works here. He's really cool. He tells us stuff about Korea, and he's really interested in like American culture too. So
He gives us alcohol to drink.
that was so nice of him.
I know.
he just went into the fridge and there was like a box of like alcohol, and it's like not like it's like heavy. It's like liquor.
Yeah, it's too strong, honestly. I can't drink that and eat it.
You can mix it. You shouldn't drink all that peach juice.
I love that.
That would have been
That
great
was
with
so
it, don't you
good.
think? Our short room tonight is kind of a mess again, so I gotta clean that. I'm so curious why this stuff is down here.
Maybe we should just finish this right now.
No, save it. Just save it. Please stop. Maybe we shouldn't get a bunch of stuff and just have it around. You can't handle it.
Yes, I can. You're mean.
She's a badass bitch. You know you're watching her twitch.